crap behind my back, huh? That's what I hear? Yeah. What's up? What's up? Not your hair yet. Good. Tired. Definitely needed my Gearhead coffee this morning. But doing good. It's a little cooler right now, which is nice. We'll see if it stays cooler without rain. Hopefully it stays cooler. If it rains, it rains. I mean, it's part of life. That's why I don't have anything to put around my Jeep, so I go this way one way or another.
I got back, I think, around 10 o'clock, and then spent a little time on the Jeep, buttoning things back up again. And then I met these two out in the parking lot. For some reason, they could not find their way back into the hotel, and I had to guide them.
And you woke up this morning and your brain was too big for your head.
It was.
I liked yesterday. I thought yesterday was fun. It's just beautiful. It's all been beautiful. It's all been different. All been good. I'm not going to say anything about our Jeep being in one piece yet because we're not done. So we'll see how it goes.
Okay, you're up.
Okay, all right. All right, final day of the 2022 Unlimited LJ Adventure.
Absolutely.
Are you guys excited?
Absolutely.
Yes, great weather change too.
Pretty good week, right?
It's been an amazing week. Nice and warm, but it's doing great.
Today is supposed to be a lot cooler. Possibility of rain, high chance of rain. Nothing yet, nothing close, but we'll get as much wheeling in as we can.
Yep, and hopefully on the way out, the dust control helps us.
Yeah, the dust is really bad today.
I mean, literally dust, heat, and 100 degrees every day for the most part. I think that's an average deal for us, right?
Yeah, totally.
And today they're saying mid-80s with some rain.
Like
so a lot of clouds in the air. So even if it doesn't rain, maybe we get a some cloud cover. Yep, there. Yeah. Thank you. I knew we brought you along for something.
Every now and then.
What year is it?
We find something. It's 2020. Right?
All right, day 6, ULJA 2022. We're about to go get it going.
We're out of words, guys.
We had nothing
hey, how
to
about
do.
this? Hey, who's ready to go wheeling?
Let's go!
I am just taking a look at which preferred way I want to go. I'm looking for a little bit of a challenge, but nothing too extreme since we just started the day. I want to keep wheeling all day. The trail kind of branches off in several directions here and then comes back to a choke point. So you got a lot of different options to try different lines. I don't want to be up there, but I want to be here. Yeah, that's gonna be way too high. Cause see, you keep getting higher. I think here, that's pretty level. But then yeah, trying to get the rear to climb up over this without grabbing the control arm. We'll see what happens here.
Now you're getting on top of that one ledge you said you didn't want to be on. Yeah. You need to get your way like 2 inches. Okay, right there. Right there, right on that line. Yep, perfect. Perfect. You can go a little past here as you come if you need. That's it right there, dude. See if it'll walk. Your rear's about to touch the wall. You're touching on this side. Climbing. this right now too.
Yeah.
We almost need a suck down.
A little bump just
I can go lower. Let me get out of the way so you can bump it.
I'm not gonna bump it hard.
You can go passenger. Okay. I wonder, small bump. Wheels right where they are.
It might not. Yeah, it might not. I don't like it.
The problem is he's trying to climb both rears and his right front. Give it a little, keep going. Okay, no more, but no more driver. That's it, go forward. Yeah. Alright, good, straight. There you go, rear diff. Rear diff. Yeah, just rear diff. Just give it a little bump. Go. Yeah, forward. Go. It's off.
All right, we're out here on the Unlimited LJ Adventure. I'm one of the co-owners of ProGuard. We make racing and Jeep harnesses. One of the official sponsors of the Unlimited LJ Adventure. The ProGuard harness, when we set out to make it, we saw how expensive harnesses were, and we thought, hey, if we manufacture and retail them, I think we can do it for a whole lot less money. So we went through all the SFI testing and approval. So every component in here is the same one you would get with racing. The only difference is the configuration is a 4-point. One of the other big things we do out here, all of our stitching is on the outside, so it doesn't rub you raw all day on the trail. And then with the Unlimited LJ Adventure, we give every participant a set of harnesses, so hopefully they enjoyed the whole week and a nice, comfortable, cost-effective harness. So this is the first year we got to have my son out here, who's 13 years old. He's got his own ProGuard Jeep on the trail all week. He just is a natural at it. I mean, everything we show him, you just show him once and he'll go right up it. And now you can see throughout the week, I'm not even watching him or spotting him. He's doing it all on his own. And he picks the hardest line, I think, every single time. Yeah, so on Ethan's LJ, it used to not be an LJ, it was a TJ buggy, and the rules are you have to have an LJ VIN and, you know, somewhat of an LJ Jeep. So we bought a wrecked one, cut the entire back of the Jeep off probably 9 weeks ago and started over and busted our butts every night to get this one put together, and super nervous because not a lot of time to test, and he brought it out here and it's performed flawlessly all week, so pretty excited about that one. I think every year we seem to step up our game and challenge each other. So my favorite part about this type of event is it's not really a competition, but you are competing against each other. But at the end of the night, we all sit down and have drinks together, and if you break on the trail, every one of these guys is gonna jump out and help you.
Do you have 4 points or do you have 5 points? Do you guys offer both? Yeah. You guys even have some for UTVs?
Yeah.
Sounds like they're pretty universal. I think you can have them for everybody.
Ways up there then.
And they come in multiple colors. What's your favorite color of the straps?
Probably red.
Probably red. Is it just because your Jeep's red? No. Alright. So what kind of straps are you going to recommend for everybody to get on this adventure?
Pro Guard.
So we like to hear Pro Guard straps. Give me some. Boom!
Are you gonna outwheel Matt?
Yeah.
Never.
Okay, you're gonna start coming driver. Okay, now you're gonna try and go passenger and see if it'll spin you on that rock now. Back up and we'll need to bring you a little bit more this way. You're good. Passenger as you back up. Keep going a little bit more for me. You're all right. Yep. Now come forward and driver. Yep. 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 Straighten out a little bit. Right there. We're just checking the weather now, trying to look at the radar. We're getting a little bit of sprinkles coming on, and they say it's gonna get really rainy here. So in a lot of parts of the country, when it snows, things shut down, and apparently here, when it rains, things shut down. Torrential downpour coming, right, Jacob? He's local. All right, listen up. So we've got a little storm coming right now, according to the radar. It doesn't look like there's anything behind it. I don't know how long it will last. It's moving kind of quick, 10, 15 minutes. But this is the opportunity where you're here on your own free will thing kicks in. So if you feel unsafe or uncomfortable, don't want to wheel, this is the main road. You are free to head where you want to. So you make up your own mind here if you want to continue wheeling or not. I'm gonna continue wheeling. So if you wanna go out, you are facing the way that you need to go. Otherwise, we'll hang out here for a little bit.
See if it blows over.
Give it, yeah, like 15 minutes, see if it blows over. And then I'm turning around and I'm wheeling more that direction.
Man, I've been needing a shower all week.
I have a tiny puddle in my passenger seat.
Hey, well, at least we finally found a car wash.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm gonna give it a little bit longer, and worst case scenario, when we turn around and start going back down there, we should know right away if that wash is filling up or not. Hey, Jeremy, facing the direction you are, does it look like the rain is coming in from that direction?
Started to come in from this direction. At first, it was coming in from my back.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Now I'm just not sure. The west is the direction we've got to watch out for.
I think we got like 60 or 90 minutes before the next cell comes through. So we'll turn around and head down and see what Upper Terminator looks like in the wash. If there's any kind of pooling in there, then we'll have to bail. That means that the rain from farther up the wash is starting to collect and come down. We don't want any flash floods on anybody. Gotcha.
looks sunny from this side, but on that side, we've got some major rain clouds. We were the first 3 to get out and one's already left. We made it just out of the canyon just in time as the skies opened up. So we made sure everyone got up and then we all boogied it to the parking lot.
I could say it was a little muddy, but it was a hell of a lot of fun. So yeah, it was worth staying out in the rain, no doubt about it.
Man, that was amazing. I wish there was more days to go, but sad to be going tomorrow. Wish there was, you know, more time.
Sure. I gotta say, it was completely different than last year, and it was amazing for that. The mud was a little different. It was a little taste of what last year was like, because we got rained on, we got mud, we got all of that. Arizona's a desert, man. It's unforgiving. It's hard on tires. It's hard on people. You know, it's hard on vehicles. I think I overheated my Jeep twice today because I forgot to turn the fan on. But overall, I mean, this is one of the events for the books. If you have an opportunity to sign up and get onto this event, this is the event you want to go on. The amount of people here, the people that put it on are just top-notch people. Everybody just wants you to have fun. They make sure you get through all the trails and keep hitting the hard lines. It's a great event. Happy to be a part of it and lucky to be a part of it 2 years in a row. So shooting for number 3, we'll see.
Hey guys, that's the end for the Unlimited LJ Adventure 2022. Wait till next year, we're gonna have a blast, and all the people went